Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to recharge the AC system on a Dodge Caliber. It will be about the same from 2007 until 2012. This is the label right here. When you open the hood, right here you have a label about the air conditioning. And it says that it requires 18 ounces or 510 grams of Freon, refrigerant. And one can, you can get the big cans, they're about 500 grams, so that will be perfect. Those, they're 340. So you need to get, if you use two cans, two little ones, you need to not put the second one all the way, about 2/3 of it. So now open that, that's the low pressure side right there, unscrew the cap, install the hose right there. After that you need to go inside the vehicle, start it, and you need to make sure that your coat is on, the fan is on, and the air conditioner button is on, the light right there. And then you need to go outside and you can start recharging the system. Okay, and as you can see, this one, what's the temperature outside, about 90 degrees. So that's the pressure that it should be, a little bit above 35 psi. So you just empty the first can. You're going to hear the compressor kicking in. If you're installing a new compressor, you need to add oil. And the oil is right here, ND8. But if you're just recharging and you hit it very slowly, most likely you didn't use oil. Okay, the first can, it's almost empty, and we're going to proceed to the second can. Okay, now we need to remove the hose just for safety and take it off the can and add about 2/3 of the second can. And you can hear the fan kicked in, that's a good sign. If your fan is not working, the air conditioner will quit working as well, because it does that so the computer turns the air compressor off, that way it will not overheat the car. Okay, and we're just adding the second can, about 2/3 of it. Okay, and that's the whole procedure. Now we have ice cold air inside. Thank you guys for watching us. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.